Here's the collection of their old washing machine on Tuesday the 9th of November 2021. Yeah, those are the standard warning signs, including as you get round the house. Here they are, coming down, got the right address, and it's pretty good. It didn't take them long to realise where it was, tucked away behind a dustbin. And of course there's a note left for them in quite a lot of detail, and a few of my visiting cards. Ask them to take that away. Having a good look at that. So perhaps they go round the side of the house. And of course they would have seen that stuff. So they didn't spend very long there. And of course I was out the back anyhow. So they come back, and another little impressive thing, they didn't bring a sack truck with them. So they simply carried it back to their white van outside, of course we've got cameras everywhere. This is just a low resolution video of the 4K cameras. There is one of course covering the road. Just so happens the clip I've used doesn't include the van, and that's me. What I was doing actually at the time was taking photographs and video clips for working that needs to be done by tradesmen or whatever, and one of the topics is the leaks in the pond. Yeah, that's the water squirter that nearly got me, to keep the heron away. That's Samantha and June off to tennis, and Toadie, another one of our guards,